Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to find the maximum value in an array after mapping each element to a specific value. This technique is useful for working with arrays of objects or custom data structures. Let's get started. The goal is to find the highest value in an array after mapping elements to a specific property or transformation. This is useful when working with objects or structured data. This function maps each element to a transformed value using either a function or a property lookup. Then it applies Math.max to get the highest value. The function first maps each element, determines whether it's function or property, and then it finds and returns the maximum value. In this table, you can see how different inputs are mapped and how the highest value is extracted from the transformed values. This technique is widely useful in real-world applications, from processing financial data to identifying performance peaks in analytics. In summary, we've learned how to find the highest value in an array after mapping its elements. This is a powerful technique for working with structured data. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.